Alright.
Oh, God. When you come up with
No water.
I use some cream people take it and that's down in water.
Hi guys.
Hey fam.
Welcome back to another video. And as you know,
I first and for New Year with me on the channel.
yes.
So happy New Year.
Happy New Year. This is the first one for
Yes.
me and mom, like sitting down. You know, we always have a little sit down talk things. We're doing another one, and this is the first one for the new year. So we're not doing a gallivant thing today, big man mix today. We're not doing the foolishness
No.
today.
So for the foolishness.
If I do foolishness.
Yeah, we're not no jackass.
Yeah, we're not doing a review. Well, no, we're not doing
No,
like
we're
any
gonna do a
food
review
reviews,
again, but not right.
What
No, we're not doing that today.
Not today. We're doing a different type of review today. So you guys know that on the main channel, mom's channel, which is the Jamaican cooking journey, she did, well, we both did, we did our New Year's dinner from scratch, everything, prepping from days before up to the day that we did it. And hopefully you guys saw the video. If you haven't, I'll leave it in the description below. So New Year's come, gone, and jump in another year. And what we are doing today is we're going to be reviewing our New Year's dinner, like, you know, what was our favorite dish, what was hard to do, what we would use again, what we wouldn't use again, them little type of stuff there. So I'm going to talk to you guys about it, tell you, you know, our experience of doing it, and kind of doing like a non-traditional kind of dinner, by non-traditional Jamaican kind of dinner, by the way, as well. Okay, so first up, I'm just gonna have like a couple of questions, and you know the two of we answer based on whatnot. So first thing, which
First
was your
must
favorite?
ask them how did they like
Yeah.
the whole thing overall.
So you guys can tell us in the comments down
And we
below.
could have gone
If
more,
you
we could have gone
watched it.
outside
Yeah, we could
more
have
of the
done
box.
more,
But I
but
just decided to
we
just
tired.
keep it low.
Yeah, we couldn't.
Maybe not just, me think say we just keep it low. I would think so.
We couldn't do more video.
No, what I'm saying, no, the little menu. I thought it was a little low-key menu. I never think it over the box. You thought it over the box?
Not really over the
Did
box.
you all thought it was outside? It wasn't.
Well-
I'm planning on doing one for the Easter God's willing. Definitely different from that. Different. I just want to go. I guess it's at my age. I just want to go different. Honestly. I don't mind doing it alone, because what we did, we could have do it alone. Yeah, Mama said me in the ramp on me, I come and work, you know.
Yes.
I don't mind.
First thing is.
And we were doing it like for just 4 people, so it's not. It wasn't a lot.
Five,
Four people. Four people. And it wasn't a lot. It wasn't a lot.
And we had leftovers and such.
Yeah, and the letter was served us for the whole week.
the whole
We went
week.
through the whole week. When they reached Friday, they said to me, say,
The last of the lasagna, me
yeah.
did I take up and did I use. So yeah. So my thing is, first thing to ask is like, which dish was, I would say, the hardest in your
To
opinion?
do.
Nothing wasn't really hard.
I don't
for
think
us,
anything-
but
nothing
which one?
wasn't hard
Which
there
one you
for
think
me.
that maybe took a little bit more out of you than you expect?
The spring rolls.
That's true. I agree with that one. The spring
Because you had, if we had made the wrappers over time and freeze them, fine.
and also if we did use egg wash, the night when we prep them the time before, should I use egg wash instead?
To seal them from.
To seal them
No,
from
no, that wasn't anything.
Because one of them.
I saw somebody commenting and saying use egg, dip it in egg wash before frying.
No, you don't have to.
No, we
dip
didn't
it
want to
in
dip it in egg wash because
We didn't
I
really
never
want
want to
to do it
saturate
like
it with
that.
our egg.
With our egg,
And to be
no, no.
all I did was just to use a little egg wash to seal
Just to
it.
seal it.
And
That's
let me
all.
tell you, I don't know what egg wash do to it when you dip it in there, but ours was as crispy and as nice.
I think it was
just
because of
crunchy.
the wrapper that we made.
Yes,
the wrapper we made was
better
really, really
than
good.
some of those where you get at the restaurant.
Yeah.
Them saturated with just oil. And
We had done spring rolls prior to when we did this, but the thing is,
yeah, me the spring
we
was
just
a
did like
Patreon. Me the spring was a
yeah,
Patreon.
but that one was more doughy in a little way.
Yeah,
That one
that
wasn't
was that's thin.
It wasn't as thin
yeah, it
as
was the
this one.
thing, but it still.
But it was
tasted
still good at
yeah.
the same time.
That one
But
was
this
more
one
thicker.
is much better.
Yes.
It holds the crunch. It holds everything inside.
It was
of
beautiful, and like
even
a
hours
day
after.
When you
Hours,
eat
days
it,
after.
Yes, it was
even
just
when you just
good.
eat it up, it's
Yeah,
still
it
good,
was
and
good.
it never, you know, spoiled or nothing like that.
Yeah.
It was still good. So.
And we didn't use any powdered seasoning.
And we never
anything.
used, yeah, we just did vegetables. So inside the
Oh,
spring rolls, we just
God.
did vegetables. We didn't do like chicken because we wanted most of our meal to have incorporate some
Yeah,
kind of
because we were
vegetable
planning
in
on
there.
making like we said in the video that we would be doing a, what's that thing? cucumber and tomato, but we actually didn't do because we
didn't
realized
get
that we had a lot
realized
of
there was vegetable in almost everything that we need, so we never bothered doing
and
that.
Honestly, I didn't want to go. I love curry mutton, you know that. And I actually did not want to see the curry mutton. I did not want to see the rice and peas. I actually didn't.
Let me tell you, I don't, as usual, I don't mind eating my little, Jamaican food and such, but I actually found this dinner that we did a huge relief, I must say. I just find it as a relief because I didn't really feel like eating
I kept saying that
heavy rice and peas.
Jesus! I kept saying that. What are we gonna do?
And the fried
but I wasn't gonna buy any oxtail. Never gonna buy no oxtail.
And no shade to anybody that cooked that. That's your food. Big up yourself. And we eat that same thing. But we just didn't want to have.
I think when I'm gonna be having
and I also feel
again,
like that's repeated in this home so many times.
Oh, years of curry goat and
all of that stuff. We just wanted something different. We didn't want to be eating the same thing over and over and over and over again. Yeah. So the hardest for us, spring rolls, as we said that. What was your favorite meal? Not to prepare, but to have.
To have.
Which one of the
I never get none. The curry, the curry.
You never get curry shrimp?
Shrimp. A little bit me get.
Oh, a little bit.
But
oh man, it gone by the night.
Yeah, when I was looking back, I said we could have put 2 packs of shrimp.
Honestly, no.
We could have done a pack and a half.
Maybe a pack and a half. But the thing is, I didn't expect if we just dive down into that much. That was
everybody liked it. Oh, Dad loved it. And the gravy. All that 2 days after that I worked on the gravy with the white rice. It was
the curry
really
shrimp
good.
was really good.
It was so. And the thing about it, I wanted celery. Let me tell you, it was this curry that my girlfriend sent me. And
the flavor of it.
The color is not that hot. I had to put another because my pretty nice curry me never have because sent me or me buy that was done. Me never put some of the other corrupt this curry now. But let me tell you,
the flavor
I would not even put no coconut milk.
Exactly. We just did the curry on its
that curry was really
and we didn't make any curry paste or nothing.
No, we just kind of cook it out.
I cooked it out and then we had our shrimp season
cook it out good time and
and we just put it in.
And we never this season shrimp.
We never season it. We never heavily season it.
Only the chicken was pre-seasoned and in the refrigerator.
Yeah. We didn't heavily pre-season anything like that. We just put it in there same day and it was still really good.
I was not pleased about the ham though. Not what I did. I was not pleased when I realized it wasn't cured evenly. It wasn't cured evenly.
Oh, some part of it have the smoke.
Some part of it have the flavor, the smoke flavor. Put a little step up a little bit.
Actually,
because I don't like the smoke flavor too strong.
Now that you say that was actually my not least favorite with what we did, but also least favorite in taste. I realized that the smoke the smoking of it was inconsistent.
Very. Some part of it has the flavor and some.
When we start to realize it, the leftovers that we did.
Yes.
So. When mom,
but you would when we start slicing it up and that was when you would have found
it out. When we were finished with the ham, mom and dad the next day wake up them, slice up all of the ham, put them into Ziplocs and freeze them and stuff for use for sandwiches.
Future time and
all of them stuff.
Can you have to do that, because you don't want your ham staying at the fridge.
Yeah, you don't want it stay.
Every minute fridge what man it start to get slimy and then something.
So I said the day that after I came back off the road that I was going to cook up the fried dumpling and the ham for you guys, and I was like, okay, I did that. I realized as I was eating my portion of my meal that some pieces of the ham
very bland,
plain bland, no flavor, but then some pieces had the smoke taste in there. And yes, we did put our glaze on our ham and whatnot, but if we bought a smoked ham, the entire ham is supposed to taste
sweet. I was my ham for 2023 I wasn't pleased. The ham for 20 I wasn't pleased with the half. So I definitely wasn't cured of thoroughly.
I feel like we haven't found
the ham for 2022 ham too. I wasn't pleased with it either.
What do you remember that?
It says it never. I don't know if I'm too frightened to go pick up ham. But it never have the smoke flavor. But that same never mind because he don't like the smoke. I do like a little smoke flavor, but I don't like my smoke flavor too overpowering.
Too heavy and overpowering. The thing with this one is just that the smoking of it was inconsistent. The parts that had the smoke flavor tasted very, very good.
It could go on, but because of the inconsistency of the flavor in it,
it messed it up. It throw it up, especially when I know that like me, I just upon the pizza because I used ham and I made like a ham and cheese pizza, like using leftover ham. I'm gonna do the same thing for it, and I taste the inconsistency of it when I eat the pizza. Your favorite thing you said that was the curry shrimp
and the cake.
Oh yeah, we did.
I think I had too much cake
with the carrot.
I want to be drinking. Yeah. Oh God, that carrot cake was the bomb.
It was a really good carrot cake.
I was saying for a video, say I gave somebody a piece of it, and so she gave somebody a piece, and the person say to her, say, so Rolande, that person where you get them, make that carrot cake, yeah, them I make them for sale.
Yeah.
Oh,
exactly. It was a very good carrot cake. And the thing is, we thought that the frosting that we used could have taken more. We could have done more with the frosting, but it never did need no more when you put it on.
No, it was good because
you had said that you were never sure about the frosting.
Yeah, I just
but it was what it was at the time.
It was good because you see, let me tell you, the cake is yummy, and I didn't go much with the frosting. I just do a regular. I just put a little.
Just a regular.
I just put a little of that yellow.
Frosting.
Yeah, just a regular buttercream frosting.
But it was really.
I didn't have cream cheese. We didn't do cream cheese.
It was really.
But me never miss the cream cheese.
No, personally, I think the buttercream on it is good.
Tastes really good.
No problem with cream cheese, but I think the buttercream.
I think if we did the cream cheese, that more Clyde.
That too. That too. But the cake was really, really good. I think I had maybe like 2 or 3 slices. It was really, really good.
Yeah, that meant
but the cake wasn't my favorite.
Funny.
I think in my opinion, my favorite was the spring rolls. That was my favorite.
Yeah, they were good too.
They were really, really good.
They were
not
really
overbearing, not too salty. Kept the crunch.
No, you know, I wouldn't for me do it. It can't be salty.
Also, our candied sweet potatoes was really good.
Oh, it was beautiful.
Those were good.
I think everything was.
Everything was good.
Jerry took some left back to work, and he said, "Mommy, when
you warm it up the next day."
Oh my God, you all should be here.
The thing is,
the flavors. Let me tell you,
the food on the first day when we cooked it tastes good.
Yeah, tastes good.
But warm it up the next day.
Ooh. He said, him co-worker said to him, say, bro, I want to take us after when they put it in the microwave in the lunch. I want to take it man. I want to never see. I want to
the next day.
Oh, it let me. And the next day.
And the day after that.
Oh, and the day after that. You know the lasagna was really good too.
Yeah, the lasagna.
The lasagna was like
the lasagna smelled good.
I think you go overboard with the lasagna though. I think you added so much. You loved it, didn't you?
I had a couple slices.
You had a good amount.
Reason why is because the curry done. The chicken gone, so the lasagna was my only kind of kind left back. So I just had the lasagna.
I think I only got candied sweet potatoes one time. Jada could have the lasagna and the candied sweet potatoes.
Man, I had some candied sweet potatoes. I had that's like like a few little bags, so much. But the leftovers were really good, really good in hot up, especially the lasagna. When you heat up the lasagna, the flavor.
Oh jeez, let me tell you, Kobe, I think we have to give them now.
Our meat sauce was really good.
Yes, it was really good.
That was the base.
I think all the flavors were in the meat sauce.
The meat sauce is what makes our breakfast lasagna, in my opinion.
Oh, the lasagna, it was good. It was just.
It was very good. Our meat sauce was really good.
Oh, it was really good.
We just
really
cook up some Walipa herbs.
I think I should share that lasagna recipe with you guys.
And honestly,
I would just hope that when I do share it,
I feel like it was also economically friendly. Pocket friendly. If I am clear, the lasagna might have been the cheapest thing for our
because many people do lasagna. It's a lot. We never use go overboard.
Yeah,
we do a lot of expensive cheese.
We just wanted to make something really simple,
and it was
really good. And now that we've done it, we can do another one and try different ways with it.
I want to share, and when I do share, I hope people try it this way.
It's very
and use
flavorful.
The herbs and leave out so much of the artificial seasoning.
The herbs are what made it what it was.
Herbs,
especially when reheating it.
Because all the when you reheat it, because your leftovers, you refrigerate it, so all the flavors just settle now. They have just been gelled in, and then you reheat it. Oh my God, that lasagna was so good.
It was
so good. I really the lasagna.
The lasagna was really good. And then so that was favorites. Oh, would you say? I know it's not hard. No, that's not the question to ask. It's not harder than doing any traditional.
No. It's actually easier.
It's actually easier.
Hold on, come on.
Yeah,
never blend no coconut and something.
Look here. Grate off your finger then. No, that's not the question I mean to ask. I mean to ask, what is it? Do you prefer, but would you say you would use non-traditional ways of cooking for like main dinners and stuff like that?
That's what I want to do now. Yes.
Over the traditional Jamaican.
For me, yes. At this point, no. Yes, I want to start moving myself. You know, not that I am in any way against my Jamaican traditional food. I prefer. The thing is, I'm good with my traditional Jamaican food.
You want to branch out
at holiday times instead of having it. So I prefer to, during the year or on a regular Sunday, I do some of my traditional.
Because regular Sunday we eat regular.
That's the thing,
Jamaican
family.
Food,
Every Sunday, most Sunday, if you're not even, and being on YouTube. You see it so much. Being on YouTube, you see it cook so much. So much oxtail. Like everybody put up them Sunday dinner. Curry goat and oxtail, roast beef, this, that, and the other, and all them something. And you just say, oh, Jesus Christ.
I feel like beef would have.
I like beef, but I wanted to do. I wanted to do. You discourage me. I wanted to do this specific roast beef. I've never done it that way
reason
before.
Why I didn't bother telling you to do the beef was number one.
No, I'm saying I don't do it for dad because dad not eat the chicken, but I know he would have the
we did the shrimp.
Say, okay, dad let me do the shrimp, but me never regret it because dad not eating. Oh God, he loved the shrimp. He loved the shrimp. But my face on him have shrimp and dad not get enough. If he's not go hard pan the shrimp.
But you know, say I want little spoon me get a small gravy me get the next
me
day.
Get none, a little me get, but make it that.
Small gravy me get the next day.
But the gravy,
the gravy
was good.
Gravy could I eat with rice, dumpling,
anything. Before when we start eat, it's first thing you say, oh Debbie, the shrimp is out of this world. Yeah, the shrimp was out.
So I think we can definitely continue to like use non-traditional ways of cooking.
Yes, because that's for our and like we are pushing it on the body. We're not pushing it on anybody. We embrace our traditional. And why should we continue to stick to our traditional way of having Christmas? And when we're doing it all through the year, we've been eating the oxtail, the fried chicken. Nothing is wrong at holiday time if we change it wrong.
And next thing, after we were done eating, and I can say this for all of us after we were done eating, none of we never catch niggeritis.
No, sir.
None of we never feel collided or packed up
and because the
heavy,
thing is,
or feel like we are roll with
throughout the week. The rest of because we ate up all the vegetables. Spring rolls actually we incorporated the veg because the spring rolls were all vegetable, right? And then the color look in there, so we never have the extra vegetable leave back away from like sliced tomato and so.
And cucumber.
And then I wanted to keep away from the traditional black cake. And everybody, I don't think if I had made a black cake, you guys would enjoy it so much.
You know me against it already.
So everybody had, dad loved the carrot cake because we don't we actually did 4 but we used 3 for the 3 tier and dad him just smash up the other little extra.
You know what's a bad to bad mommy? No people, the day when we were cooking we did feel like a peckish before we did start.
That take over that one.
I'm gonna say, you know what, I asked my mommy, you gotta use all of the carrot cake. She said no, I'm using 3. So I said alright, 1 little extra, 1 leave. I cut it and me take 1 slice out of it. After that, I don't see the cake again.
That take it over, brother.
I don't see that singular piece of carrot cake. I don't see that singular carrot cake ever again.
Well, this happened for me.
I don't see that singular carrot cake since then. It not catch my eye after that.
That carrot cake, trust me.
It was good.
It was so good.
If you were, yes. So this is the final question, and you can add anything else if you want to after. But if you were doing back over your menu again, what would you put back on there and what would you not put back on there?
If I was doing back like the same menu,
not the same thing, just like a different menu.
Oh, if I was doing a different menu.
Yes, but what would you? It has to be back on there, like from this menu.
Definitely my curry shrimp and my spring rolls.
Okay. And what would you leave out?
It's hard right now. Traditionally, you have ham at the Christmas dinner table.
Not just for Christmas dinner alone. Just in general.
I would leave out the fried chicken.
Okay.
I would leave out the fried chicken. Or maybe do maybe a smoked chicken or something, smoked whole chicken, but the fried chicken I would definitely leave out. But I would go back again for the spring rolls and the curry shrimp.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
that's good. Well, me not so me would eat anything at any time, any day. But not cook nothing. I help mom, and I helped her with it and whatnot. I did Christmas dinner one of these years already. God know I not touch bucket again. Never again.
Alright, well, me have one question. I don't know if you want this to be the final. I'm going to incorporate them too. How, well, we work together already, but they never say we pan camera, I work together. How do you find working with me?
So mom is very easy to work with.
Be truthful, because I know there are some parts where you like.
Yeah, no, so mom is very easy to work with because I work with her over the years. I remember I would do the cooking something.
That's what I say, I know.
So over time, I have gotten the routine. I'm a understand her, I'm a click with her, I'm a watch not and what. But if you're a person that doesn't understand her and you have never been around her, I would not suggest working
and
with
if
her.
You're a slow person.
If you can't catch the lick from once, you're not catch it again.
You'll find fault at me. Not
and the thing, no, before,
yeah,
for sure.
No, before,
for sure.
You know,
because when I just started,
Kimmy, when Kimmy just start work with like cooking in the kitchen with me, you can send me and
I understand.
Kimmy, you can watch.
Because mom is very assertive. She knows what she has to do.
Yes,
She knows what but the thing is, she can't do everything herself. She needs help. But me being here, I already know everything. I've seen everything. I know how it's done and what I'm supposed to do. I'm know is when I fear space, make sure I fear space. When we are doing
and another thing what I know is we do time management.
Yeah, that's
time.
When we set a time to do something, but our time management this time was actually
but what I'm
really
saying,
good.
it's
our
good.
time management
it's
this year
good.
was
We are
actually
doing
good.
our own thing, but like when we're doing
we said we
catering,
wanted to do 2:30.
Yes, we were on point.
We were on time because we said we wanted to finish at 2:30 and we finished at 2 o'clock. So we did finish before.
We also dinner would be served at 2:30.
2:30, but it was served at 2:30. We were eating by 2:30.
And the thing is, as you mentioned before, me never tired, but could I literally sit down and eat.
And she wasn't tired.
The rest of the year, I'm not eating enough.
Yeah, exactly.
Just go down somewhere.
Yeah, and the thing is, I feel like because you weren't the only one doing it, also I was there helping and stuff like that.
And space-wise, we have a better space.
Yeah,
that's better space because space is a big factor in space.
But working with mom isn't that bad. Laugh and fun and joke. Me and mom, we kind of have the same personality of such kind.
We are crazy
I'm just a little bit different from mom, but when we click, we work together very well. In the kitchen, it's very easy to work with her, as I said. But she's more versed in what she's doing. I sit and I watch, and then from there I incorporate. I may tell her, mommy, you left out this, or you never put that, or something. That's why I'm there. I help to remind her with what she never do and stuff like that. When she's doing her cakes, me did it. Mommy put this.
Yeah, but that, also you play a very big factor too, because you have a lot of creative ideas when it comes to certain stuff.
Yeah,
better than I do. You have more modern.
Yeah, maybe because we're younger.
Yeah, you have more modern creativity about it. That's what I like.
I like
say,
different
mom,
tastes.
don't put this here. Don't put that there. Do this. Do that.
So when we were doing our menu, when we were doing our menu, we decided together what we wanted to do for the menu. Because we know everybody.
Yeah, we didn't just get up and do it. So
we never just get up and say,
"You're going to do this and that." Plan and we planned for it.
We budgeted. We made our list.
Well, next time we're gonna do it, we make a list. We'll carry them and
we'll carry you through the full process next time.
Yeah.
But we did it in such a way where it wasn't a hassle for us. I feel like we worked very smoothly this year.
Yes, because
compared to other years.
I think it's because we were doing the traditional. I think it's because we were approaching this with a more
open mind
because it's a different
thing.
So we and as we tell you again, the space you're in,
your space is very important. Yes,
everything.
The space that you have is very important when it comes to
it was really open because we could have done this and we are watch something on the TV and we could stop a little bit and we gallivant and it was good and we never have to go outside for go wash up some of the something there because it was really good.
also with the washing up, we never have no lip or something I wash up after. We wash in between.
Yeah, because we had the space.
Yes. And as we wash, as mommy do one thing,
we could have got out to the washroom.
Exactly. So as mommy cook one thing, I may wash something, while me I do something, mommy wash something, and it was going back.
And we never used too much of a big utensils either. Like
no,
we didn't even take out any of the big putting with stainless steel. You know, we didn't use any of those.
We would have used them there.
Yeah, but normally when time we are cooking, you know, so that
was in a big pudding pan.
Yeah, if it's not how much 6 pound a mutton this. No, we didn't even use any of those.
Because it's not 6 pound a mutton.
We didn't even use a big pot to cook no big rice and peas and that was some of the things that it was.
I looked forward to dinner. Well, last year I looked forward to that dinner. It was very good, and because I saw how the menu was, I knew that it was something that we would have enjoyed. Because let me tell you something. Yes, though we love rice and peas and some, we eat it.
We never miss the rice and peas because the thing is,
we eat it every day.
We cook this rice and peas personally. Me,
mommy cook it enough.
I cook. Remember my in a catering.
And yeah, exactly. She's in catering.
I have my catering phase is in phase. My catering phase, catering for people, was like from Gerardo was like 1.
So you've
and
been
then I
in this
did
a very, very long time.
Yes, I did that for my first phase of catering started 1994 straight until 1998. And then when that phase of my life, and then I came back into it again. I came back and I did it again for about 4 years. The 4 years was more intense because I had to be doing it to pay. When I was doing it the other time, I was doing it to pay anything specific. I had to be meeting school for Gerard and everything.
Yeah, deadlines and stuff like that.
Yeah, so listen, let me tell you, man. Let me tell you.
So she
see
it 25,000 times different times. She has seen it so many times. And I have helped her, and I have seen it, and all of these things. And I myself welcome change. I never have no problem not eating a grain of rice. People, there's not a grain of rice on the table.
No. And I wanted that.
So
at
happy.
One
there
point,
was not
I said to Dad, I said, you want some white rice though?
No, but the white rice that tastes good, the curry still.
Yeah.
The white rice
no, we could have some. We could have some like roti for that.
Yeah.
Roti with a nice.
But
with
still,
it.
There was not one grain of rice on that table.
No, and
I was very happy.
honestly, we wanted to make a difference.
Like that.
Yeah, and I'm trying to cut out of the white rice family and something. I try to cut out of the
rice. Are your weakness?
Well, it used to be. I never know I would reach this point where white
really
rice.
It no more.
I don't want it. I don't
grow up
want
and change
because it's not. I don't know. I don't feel for it anymore. Actually, honestly, me never know someone could not feel for white rice. I don't know. Maybe age, maybe time, maybe this. I wanted to just do something because it's not going down good with me anymore. So why not leave it?
True, why not leave it?
Why not leave it? Maybe every now and then I take a little tablespoon. But like to say, if I can keep away from it.
Because I know certain things where you cook it, feed with liquor, right?
Yeah, you know,
you feed it with liquor white rice.
Yeah, but that was just it about this, and we thank you for watching. And if you have not watched that video, we're gonna leave the link
in the description below.
Go check it out, go watch it, and tell us in the comment section, very respectfully, very decent, very principled, what was your favorite of what we showed. Maybe we never showed.
What was your highlight? I feel like we showed as in depth as possible.
I think that we showed much
because there wasn't anything more.
Everybody know if we do them fried fowl that are not.
Yeah, we weren't really sure.
Maybe like some people would love to see how we do the lasagna, and so probably if they request it, I'll do for them that lasagna.
We're just showing you what we cooked, not really like a full instruction.
No, it wasn't a tutorial. It wasn't a full tutorial.
But yeah, that was our thing, and we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I also hope you guys watch our other New Year's dinner video. If you haven't seen it, make sure you watch it, and you can tell us the highlight, what you learned from it, if you would use any of the menu items that we had on your menu or your dinner table or anything you want to try. So thank you guys for watching once again, and I will see you guys, or we will see you in another video.